Welcome. If you're someone who loves keeping up with friends' birthdays on Instagram, but you mostly use your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable notifications for birthdays on Instagram directly from your browser using the latest update. It's quick, easy, and you'll never miss a special day again. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log in with your credentials if you aren't already signed in. Once you're on the main page, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Find and click on your profile icon. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can manage all your account settings. Now, look for the option labeled Notifications in the menu. Click on it to open up your notification settings. Inside the Notifications section, you'll see several categories. What you're looking for is Push Notifications. Click on it to expand more detailed options. Here, Instagram allows you to customize exactly what kind of alerts you want to receive on your device. Scroll down until you find the Birthdays section. By default, this might be turned off, but you can easily change that. Simply select the option labeled On. This ensures that you'll get a notification whenever one of your friends is celebrating a birthday. And that's it. You've now enabled birthday notifications on Instagram from your PC. From now on, Instagram will send you a reminder whenever a friend's birthday comes up, so you can send them your best wishes right on time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials and the latest updates. Thanks for watching and enjoy staying connected with your friends on Instagram.